Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series of indirect taxation. Today we are going to solve problems on time of supply. You can refer the problem in the slide. Mrs. Indian Oil Corporation entered into a contract with Mr. B to supply of oil throughout the year. Mrs. Indian Oil Corporation issues monthly statement for the oil supplied to Mr. B. Determine the time of supply of goods in the following independent cases. First case is Mr. B made payment for the month of July on 31st July 2019 and Mrs. Indian Oil Corporation issued statement for the month of July on 8th August 2019. Second case, Mrs. Indian Oil Corporation issued statement for the month of August on 5th September 2019, the payment of which is not received till 30th September 2019. Second case, state the time of supply for the goods sent for approval. So first case says that Mr. B made the payment for the month of July on 31st July 2019. And Indian Corporation issued statement for the month of July on 8th August 2019. So, in this case, date of payment, first case, date of payment made is 31st July 2019 or issued the statement on 8th that is August 2019. So whichever is earlier we need to consider. So in this case 31st July 2019 will be the time of supply. Because 31st July 2019 payment made, issue the statement on 8th August, whichever is earlier, 31st July is earlier, so that date is considered as time of supply. So next, second case says that Mrs. Indian Oil Corporation issued the statement for the month of August on 5th September 2019 and the payment of which not received till 30th September 2019. In the second case, earliest of the following we should consider. One is date of invoice is 5th September 2019. Last date on which invoice is issued, that is date of payment, but we have not received the payment at all. Date of payment due, that is not known. Okay, not known, but we have not received. They have said that 30th September is the payment, but not received, not known or not received. 30th September is there, correct? So in this case, whichever is earlier, that is 5th September 2019 is considered as time of supply. That is 5th September 2019 is considered as time of supply. Coming to the B, question B, state the time of supply for goods sent for approval. See, time of supply of goods sent for approval means time when it becomes known that supply is taken place. For example, if X is supplied the goods to Y, so if X is supplied the goods, that means he has made the supply, that time we will consider, or 6 months from the date of removal. That means if it is not done, then 6 months from the date of removal is considered as time of supply, whichever is earlier. So B case, time of supply for goods sent for approval is nothing but time when it becomes known that supply is taken place or 6 months from the date of removal, of goods. Okay, whichever is earlier is nothing but time of supply sent for approval. Once again, time when it becomes known that supply is taken place, and 6 months from the date of removal, whichever is earlier, is considered as supply of goods sent for approval. So this completes the 3 cases in the problem. Thank you.